If you've ever spilled transmission fluid all over your garage floor, fought with a cheap transfer pump that barely moves liquid, or wasted an hour on a simple fluid change that should have taken 10 minutes, you already know how frustrating the wrong tool can be. And when you're dealing with transmission fluid, differential oil, brake fluid, or engine oil, a bad pump doesn't just waste time, it can create a mess, contaminate fluids, and turn a routine maintenance job into a headache. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best fluid transfer pumps that actually make fluid changes easier, cleaner, and faster, so you can buy the right tool the first time and avoid wasting money on junk. And real quick, if you're into honest, no BS automotive reviews from someone who actually works on vehicles, hit that subscribe button. I test tools based on real garage use, not marketing claims. I've also linked the latest deals in the description below, and if you're working on a specific vehicle or maintenance project, drop a comment and I'll help point you toward the right setup. Starting at number 5, we've got the 4Uncle's Oil Extractor. Right away, this tool feels designed for people who want simplicity. The large extraction chamber, sturdy hose setup, and manual vacuum design make it easy to pull fluids without needing electricity or compressed air. The construction feels solid for the price, and the transparent container gives you a clear view of how much fluid you're collecting during the extraction process. In real-world use, this is a fantastic option for DE mechanics who perform regular oil changes and basic maintenance at home. Here's where this really stands out. Convenience. Being able to extract oil through the dipstick tube without crawling under the vehicle can save a surprising amount of time. Compared to bargain extractors that lose vacuum pressure halfway through a job, this one remains consistent and dependable. The only drawback is that larger fluid jobs may require a little more pumping effort than powered alternatives. Now the next one solves a problem many vehicle owners don't realize they have until they're working with thicker fluids. At number 4, we've got the VEVOR transmission fluid pump. This tool immediately feels more heavy-duty. The pump mechanism is designed to handle thicker fluids more efficiently, and the hose system feels durable enough for repeated shop use. The overall construction gives off that rugged, workshop-ready feel that VEVOR has become known for in the automotive tool space. In actual use, this pump shines during transmission service, differential fluid changes, and gear oil transfers where weaker pumps often struggle. This is what most people don't realize: fluid viscosity matters. A pump that works fine with engine oil may struggle badly with thicker gear oils. The VEVOR handles those situations much better than many entry-level options. It moves fluid consistently and minimizes frustration during messy jobs. The only downside is that it's slightly bulkier than some compact transfer pumps, which may matter if storage space is limited. But now we're getting into tools that start feeling genuinely professional. Coming in at number 3 is the Uke 6L Vacuum Oil Extractor Pump. Uke has built a strong reputation among DE enthusiasts and professional technicians, and this extractor shows why. The 6-liter reservoir gives you enough capacity for most automotive maintenance jobs, while the vacuum system feels refined and efficient. The fittings, hoses, and seals all feel higher quality than many competing models. Here's where this really stands out in real-world maintenance work: reliability matters more than almost anything else. When you're halfway through a fluid extraction, you don't want leaks, vacuum loss, or weak suction. The Uke consistently delivers strong extraction performance and makes fluid changes surprisingly clean. I especially like how quickly it handles engine oil compared to cheaper manual systems. For regular DE maintenance, this tool quickly pays for itself. The only drawback is that first-time users may need a few minutes to understand the optimal setup procedure. Now this next one hits a sweet spot between versatility and overall value. At number 2, we've got the OEMTOOLS 24389 Manual Fluid Extractor Pump. The first thing I noticed is how adaptable this system feels. Whether you're dealing with transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, or differential oil, it seems ready for the task. The construction feels durable, the seals inspire confidence, and the pump mechanism operates smoothly without feeling flimsy. In real-world use, this is the kind of tool that becomes a permanent fixture in your garage. Here's what most people don't realize. Versatility saves money. Instead of buying separate tools for different fluid services, a good extractor can handle multiple jobs effectively. The OEMTOOLS unit does exactly that. It performs consistently across a wide range of automotive maintenance tasks and feels durable enough for years of regular use. Compared to budget alternatives, the difference in build quality is immediately noticeable. The only drawback is that the larger size can make storage slightly less convenient than smaller extractors. And now we've reached number 1. Taking the top spot is the Midevac MVA6851 Fluid Evacuator Extractor and Dispensing Syringe. If you've spent time around professional mechanics, you've probably heard the Mityvac name before. There's a reason for that. The engineering behind this tool is outstanding. The syringe-style design gives you exceptional control, and the overall construction feels like a professional-grade piece of equipment built to last for years. In real-world situations, this is one of those tools that makes you wonder why you didn't buy it sooner. Here's where this really stands out: precision. When you're dealing with brake master cylinders, differential housings, transfer cases, or other areas where accuracy matters, the Mityvac provides a level of control that larger extractors simply can't match. It's clean, efficient, and incredibly easy to use. This is what most people don't realize. Sometimes the best fluid transfer tool isn't the biggest one, it's the one that gives you complete control over the job. For mechanics, enthusiasts, and serious D'ers, this tool delivers outstanding long-term value. The only drawback is that its smaller capacity means larger fluid jobs may require multiple cycles. At the end of the day, the best fluid transfer pump depends on the kind of maintenance you perform most often. If you want an affordable extractor for routine oil changes, the Four Uncles is a solid starting point. The VEVOR excels with thicker fluids and heavier-duty applications. The Uke offers excellent extraction performance and reliability. The OEMTOOLS unit delivers impressive versatility for a wide range of maintenance jobs. But if you want the most precise, professional-feeling fluid transfer tool on this list, the Mityvac takes the number 1 spot. Choosing the right fluid transfer pump doesn't just save time, it prevents messes, reduces frustration, and makes vehicle maintenance significantly easier. And honestly, once you've used a quality fluid extractor, you'll never want to go back to the old way of doing things. If this review helped you out, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews and tool recommendations. Check the description for the latest deals on all 5 products and drop a comment below if you're working on a specific fluid service and need personalized advice. You now know more than most buyers before they spend their money. Go make the smart choice.